Hello sugars, I'll be taking you guys along on how to make this smooth white buttercream, and we'll be decorating our cake with it in this video, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay guys, here is all we need for our white buttercream. Okay, we'll be needing our icing sugar. As you can see here, I have Suzanne icing sugar. You can make use of any icing sugar of choice. Okay, and here is our Crisco white butter. This butter is different, okay, but when you go to market, just ask for Crisco vegetable shortening. They will give you exactly this. Please don't buy what is not this that you are seeing on the camera right now. Can you see the color is like butter, but the color is white, as you can see. So we're needing it, and here is our bowl for sieving of our icing sugar. Okay, and here is the big bowl that we'll use for this white butter. Don't mind if you don't have mixer, you can use your hand and do this work perfectly well. So here is our spatula, wooden spatula that we'll use for mixing this, and here is our scale. The reason why we'll be making use of this scale is for measurement, okay, but if you don't have scale, you can go to market, let them measure your Crisco for you. That is all. But in a situation whereby you have this scale, no need of measuring much, because you use your scale and do your work. Now let's start. First, we will sieve our icing sugar. It's a must. It's mandatory to sieve your icing sugar. Okay. If you want your buttercream to be smooth and lovely, you sieve your icing sugar. You don't want messy work, okay? Just sieve it. Make sure you sieve very well. Most especially this Suzanne used to have a lot of lumps, so be careful when sieving, okay? So guys, where are you watching from? If you have watched this extent, please support this channel by subscribing, like, comment and share. Okay, I love you guys. So to make the work easy, I use my whisk, okay, to sieve it more faster. Can you see what I'm telling you? See what I'm telling you? In a situation whereby you don't sieve your flour, how is it gonna be? So always do the needful to get a perfect result. Not, you see, we are done with our icing. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's crumb cut our cake. Yeah, first to do is to crumb coat, okay? Love your perfect English. So guys, here is it after composting. All you need to put it in the fridge to rest for a little while before we start the main work. Okay, now let's start the main work.